Hey, it's Tom Gallagher. We got another edition of The Story Behind the Car, and it's a 1967 Cadillac. And is it a DeVille?
It's a Calais.
Calais, and I'm with William. And William's going to answer the questions. And I asked him, he said he didn't really want to be on the camera. He just wanted to have the car of the star. So, William, how long have you had it?
Almost 15 years.
Really? 15 years? Wow.
It was in storage for 31 years before I got it. And all she does is run and drive.
And I was talking to you before I turned on the camera. You said it's all original?
It's all original. Everything on this car, it's a Survivor. So there's no tricking this one out. It's all going to stay just the way she is. I mean, everything, you can take a look at the headliner inside. The headliner is perfect. It's brand new.
And I'm kind of a headliner freak. I always look at the old, I love the old cars and the headliners.
It's all original.
Wow. And the pinstriping was on it when you got it?
Yep, everything on this car is original. Last time this car was on the road was 1971. That was before I got it.
And what drew you to the car? Was it, did you buy it or?
Yeah, I was looking at a 65 out in California, and the guy sold it out from underneath me, and then this one popped up, and the ad said, it's the car of the wife, and the wife still cooks. So I talked him into bringing it to me, and I've had it for, like I said, over 14 years.
Wow.
What really trips everybody out are the curb feelers over here.
They were on it when you got it, huh?
Oh, yeah, that's 56-year-old curb feelers.
Yeah. Holy shit. Oh, and it's got a power antenna.
Oh, yeah. Power seats, power windows, power locks, air conditioning, actually climate control. This Cadillac, it had everything that there was to it.
Does it have the Wonder Bar radio?
No, it's got the stock, whatever that one was in there.
Yeah. And is that a AM, FM in it?
Yeah, but I run everything Bluetooth.
Yes.
So
right on.
A sub in the trunk and 6x9s
and I love the fact that it doesn't have a B pillar.
There's no pillar.
Yeah, that is awesome. And what engine is in it?
It's got a 429.
Do you mind popping the hood?
Sure. It's all original. I mean, except for the air cleaner.
Yeah, but a 429 that will pass anything but a gas station, I guess.
Right, I get about 8 miles in a gallon.
Yeah, I had a 63 Chateau.
The only thing that wasn't original was, like I said, the air cleaner. Other than that, everything in here is actually kind of the way I found it. I've never even really cleaned under here.
Yeah, there's not much room to work around in it.
No, I mean, like I said, this car is exactly how I found it 15 years ago.
Holy shit, how many horns does it have?
3.
The Cadillac horn sounds so good.
Oh yeah. Train horn coming down the road.
And what is this here?
That's the air pump for the air leveling rides. It's got air ride.
Oh, does it really?
It's all original air ride.
Wow.
Somebody lost the cap and stuck a Pepsi cap on it from back in the old days.
And I gotta shoot that.
From like the 70s. 67.
The 48-ounce juice can. I love the fact that. And Ford did that as well, I think.
What's that?
This can is like a juice can from when Man, that is amazing.
That is crazy.
Like I said, it's all original. I mean, hoods don't show like that anymore.
Yeah. Boy, this is really, really nice.
Well, I appreciate that. She's fun.
And William, do you take it on the road at all, or just car shows, or?
Oh, no, I drive the shit out of it.
Do you really?
This car was meant to be driven.
I thought my car was long, but this is longer.
19 feet, 8 inches, something like that.
That white was mine.
Oh yeah, I got you beat. I might be able to fit yours in the trunk of mine.
I don't know about that, man.
And a couple dead hookers.
I don't know about that.
I don't know, you can fit 20 dead hookers back there. It just depends on how you cut them up.
That's why I see me come really long.
Oh yeah, she's long, man.
Now the 65 and 6 were the headlights side by side,
No,
or were they stacked?
That was 64 and older.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right on. Well, just a beautiful car.
Yeah, I mean, she's a little dirty. I mean, driving out here on these country roads, there's dead bugs all over the front. But I mean, like I said, it's a Survivor. So she's got little rock chips. I mean, like 56 years old.
Yeah.
You think that's original paint?
It is. There's one spot, like this fender, I think, had some damage to it. And they repainted this probably back in like the 70s or 80s. Everything on this. Paint's original. 90.
All original?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Hadn't turned over.
No.
Well, thank you again.
Like I said, the car was in storage for 31 years before I got it, and I've been
Yeah.
for 14 years. It had 88,000 miles on it when I got it. It's got like what 94,000 or something like that. I put 6,000 miles on it. In 15
Get out of the way.
Wow.
No, I think that car's got a bigger interior than yours.
Oh yeah.
Well, thank you so much for letting me shoot it.
No problem.
I'll look inside that one. I think I got